What's up everyone? My name is Shaelyn and on this channel everything's alright. As you can see, we're in my kitchen, so it is time for another cook with me video. I feel like I'm literally making the same thing over and over again, if I'm being really honest, looking at the ingredients in front of me. A lot of cucumbers, a lot of tomatoes, a lot of hummus and feta, not olive oil. But in the last year, I think, fell absolutely in love with the Panera Bread Mediterranean Sandwich. I just get mine with no onion because I don't like raw onion. But otherwise, I fell in love with it, and this is obviously not sponsored. If you want to sponsor me, Panera, holler at your girl. But I had to do my best to try and copycat it the best that I can, because I don't want to be spending however much it is on a sandwich that I can just make at home if I have the ingredients. That is what I tried to do, and let me tell you, it was freaking good. Now, I will say the only difference between the one that I've made before and the one I'm making on this video is I usually make it on like a tortilla because that's what we usually have the most of, like on hand. But I went and picked up some sourdough today because the Panera Bread sandwich actually comes on like a reddish color type sandwich bread. I don't know actually what it is. I'll have to look that up, but I couldn't find any of that at my local grocery store, so I just got sourdough. I'm sure it'll be fine anyway, but so yeah, I'm just gonna wash my cucumber and then get right into it. So basically what you'll need for this recipe is a bread of your choice or a tortilla, whatever you want to use for a bread, cherry or grape tomatoes, hummus, pimento peppers, feta cheese, and optional is olive oil, red wine vinegar, and salt and pepper. Oh, and also optional is onion if you like onion. I will say usually I do put some lettuce on the sandwich because that's how it comes from Panera, but my lettuce is expired, so I won't be doing that today, and I'm not gonna run to the store because I'm not. This is gonna be my serving plate, but I'm just gonna use it to hold my chopped tomato and cucumber. I like my sandwiches to have as thin sliced cucumber as possible. That is what I'm attempting to do. I'm gonna do 2 more. Wow. For one hand, I'm really slicing these kind of thin. I'm actually impressing myself. Better than I thought I was gonna do. I have 5 cherry tomatoes of different assorted colors that I'm going to cut somehow. I think I'm just gonna half them, or have them. How do you say that word? Half them. Half them. Oh my god. Why was that so hard for me to say? Obviously, this recipe doesn't involve any cooking, so this is just like a prep veggie and assemble video, I guess. So I'm just gonna get out some of my sourdough. Beautiful. This actually feels a lot like the bread from Panera, so sourdough is a good thing. I'm just gonna take my hummus first and spread it on one or both sides. I haven't decided yet. I think I'm just gonna do one side actually, and then I'll do the dressing on the other side. So normally I would put the lettuce here, but I'm going to put the veggies. I did way too many cucumbers, that's okay. We'll figure it out. And tomatoes, oh my god, that's way too many. Jesus, I was pretty ambitious with this. Okay. Well, doesn't fit everything that I cut up, but that's okay. So I'm gonna actually start using the plate now. So, oh, I need a fork. Okay, we're good. forgot that hummus was expired and I was about to throw up because I just licked it off my thumb. So this is the key ingredient personally, because this is the flavor that really caught my taste buds when I was eating the Panera Bread sandwich, is the pimento peppers. I got these from Sprouts. They're by the brand Cento, which is the same brand that I get my peeled tomatoes in. If I could describe these, they're like a sweet pepper that has a very slight kick of spice to them. If you don't like spicy though, you will not like these. They will definitely attack your mouth if you're not used to spice. There we go. There's always so much juice in it. Okay. So this, obviously just go with whatever you think you would like. I like a lot because I like spicy and I love these peppers. Pretty much the only reason why I make this sandwich, honestly. These would be great on a salad too, honestly. Oh my God. They are so yummy and refreshing. I can't even explain it to you. And then, I think this is a new container of feta. It is. To top this masterpiece off, actually, first I'm gonna do the little olive oil thing first. So, a very light drizzle of olive oil. You don't want it to overtake the whole sandwich. Ooh, okay. And then again, a really light drizzle of red wine vinegar, if possible. I honestly don't think the Panera sandwich has any dressing on it, but a little bit of salt, tiny bit of pepper. It was a little more than I expected, but this is just my own version, so that's what I do to kind of spruce it up a little more. Because otherwise it's just like a little bit plain, but that's kind of what I love about it, you know? And then, to top it all off, I sprinkle feta cheese on top. Beautiful. Yummy. Oh. I can already tell this is gonna be very close to the Panera one. All right, let's take a bite. Cheers. Mm. Oh my God. I feel like I'm so dramatic every time I taste something I make in these videos, but anyway, before I get too much stuff all over my face, I'm gonna close out this video. I know this was like probably a pretty fast video, but I just needed a quick little video to put up and this is all I could think of. So I hope this gives you some inspiration to make this delicious sandwich. If you do like the one from Panera, try this, I swear. If you like sandwiches and Mediterranean food, try this and let me know what you think. I don't think I have any more like Mediterranean-y food that I want to show you guys how to make. So don't worry, I don't have any of those coming up. I think my next one is gonna be a dessert actually, so keep a lookout for that. But without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, follow me on all my socials linked in the description down below, and I'll see you next week for another new video. Okay, bye. Oh, before I go, one of my subscribers informed me that some kind of setting was off on her YouTube account. So she hadn't been seeing my videos in a long time. So she decided to search for my videos and realized that my videos weren't being put up on her feed. So make sure you check and make sure that your settings are on so that your able to see my videos when I post them. And if you want to just like triple check that you get to see my videos if you enjoy them that much, then in addition to pressing the subscribe button, you should also press the little bell down below. That'll give you a post notification every time that I post, and that'll just be helpful so you know when I do upload. And yeah, okay, bye.